Hello everyone, I hope you're having a lovely day. We're back with another tips and tricks video. Quick one today, we're going to go through some keyboard shortcuts to help you try and navigate faster and get you into the flow state. I'm going to show you the ones that have given me the most efficiency gains. So let me just get the database out. So here I'm just in a generic sales order, and to have a look at all the shortcuts you can just press Alt. And you can see all the different shortcuts here. So some of the good ones that I like are Alt-N, which is for your next record. So if you're sense checking some bits of data on a list of items, you can just like power through it like that. And then to get back, you can press Alt-P. Another useful one is if you've clicked on loads of different links, internal links like this, and you want to get back, sometimes it can be hidden, so you can just press Alt-B. Alt-M is a nice way to send a message. It's always good to remember sending a message is to everyone who follows the sales order, so it could be external people, and log note is typically for internal, unless you tag someone from the outside. So Alt-M is you can just send a message. And then you can press Ctrl Enter to send it. Alt-C is another nice one, which is for creating a new record. And this works again, throughout the system. So whether it's a lead in CRM or a purchase order, a vendor bill, a customer invoice, product forms, stock movements, MOs. These shortcuts will help you navigate like a pro. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Catch you next time.